Hello everyone, I am Sharif and welcome to the new video tutorial of Flutter with Firebase series. In earlier playlist we see that how to make application in Flutter for the beginners. So this video playlist is a step ahead for the previous one because we are going to see the Firebase, how we can use Firebase in Flutter and how we can make an interesting application. File is basically a backhand for the application and web and provide this service with the Google. So it's quite easy to use and most of the people I believe that you use earlier in your code if you have a familiar with the Android and iOS development. So let's see our target of this video is see that how we can use the Flutter in a Firebase. Sorry, the Firebase in a Flutter. So let's done the setup which is required to do a Firebase, to use a Firebase in a Flutter. You can use the Firebase website just by typing the Firebase on Google and it will redirect you to the Firebase website because it's very famous. We have to go to the consoles. If you have already, if you don't, go to start. Here you can say I have some of projects, so I'm going with the Flutter with Firebase, but I'm starting the new one so make you understand more. Here you have to use a project name, so let's give a project Flutter with Firebase. So, and click on continue. Go to the down and disable the Google Analytics because we are not going to use the Google Analytics for this project, and click on the previous one, project one. It will take some time to get complete, so I'm going to pause the video. So finally it's done after taking almost 1 minute. It depends on your machine, sometime on Firebase, sometime on internet speed. So do not worry if it takes some time, but it will get complete very shortly. Once you're done and your new project is ready to launch or something like that, and the option show by the Google, you can click on continue. Once you get continue, you will get redirected on the consoles of your new. Here you can see your name of the application that I write some moments ago. Now we have three options. What we are going to do: Android, iOS, and Unity. So we are going to do an Android. Now we have to register our company, our package name. So our package name, go to the studio because if you are just deleted a package, so go to the Flutter dashboard English, go to the Android, go to the gradles, and here you can see the build grader file. Go to theirs, and here we can, sorry, just a moment. Sorry, we have to go to the Android. Once you open your Flutter, we have already created a project. Go to the Android, go to the app, and here this under the by the down of src here the build grader, click on it and this file will get opens. So here you can see there is an application id. We have to copy it from here, copy it, go and paste it here successfully. And now we have to put the application name, which it is optional, so depend on you if you want to push or not. So I'm selecting it from here and put it here. SHAI key, it's also important if you are going to use a sign up or authentication in a Firebase with help of Facebook and Google. So let it optional because we can add it later if it required for us. Click on register app. When it's registered, here it will take you to step 2 where we have to download that Google JSON files and paste it on our application. So I'm just going to download it. So what we have to do, we do not have to worry because it's already installed in your applications. When you install, I'm just let you know that where you have to go, if where you have to put that file. Once you download the Google JSON file, go to the go to the VS Code setups, go to the Android. It's set up and let you already create. Hope you already created a project, your Flutter project. Once you create it, you can see the Android option. Go to the Android, go to the app, After that you have a search src options, go to that, and sorry for the fumbles. What we have to do, we have to download that Google JSON file, go to the Xcode, we have to paste it under the app folder, and under the app folder just down to the src folder. So how we can do it, we can copy the we can click on the left right mouse button on a app folder and reveal it on a file explorer, and you can see, you can get the path where your app is. Put the app under, click that path, and you can save that Google JSON here. So once you have all done this, we completely integrated the Google JSON service in application. So we have to do the next one, see the stick instructions. Click on next, and now we have to add some dependencies. These are already added there in application. Once you create your application in Flutter, in Android Studio or VS Code, these things are already done. Just need to copy this file, class file, go to your Android, go to your VS Code, go to your Android build gradles. Okay, this will present now, this build grader, and you have to copy and paste the file here under the dependency section, but I'm already pasting it, so I'll get it my back, and here it is. You have to copy and place the path here, go to down, go to the next, and now you can go to the console of a Firebase. Means you have done already each and everything in your Firebase, and now your Firebase is ready to use in a Flutter applications. Here these things just I'm let you know. These are the awesome things that we can do. We have a real time something, event commission audience, and these things analytics are here. Authentication, Firebase database, real time database, storage, hosting, function, machine learning, and there's something more. Means we can have to do something more exciting function in our application with help of the Firebase, and the most important thing is it's completely free for the limited use. So for us it's quite useful and going to be interesting tutorial from now. So in the next video we are going to see that how we can use the version control system in a Flutter. Means if you have a repository, if you want your code to get to deliver or to push on a repository, that how we can do in a Flutter in the VS Code. So for now so let's end this video here, and thanks for watching. And if you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like and share with your friends.